Hi, I'm Tori, and today I'm going to teach you how to use Paperless Post, an online invitation maker. First, head to paperlesspost.com. When you're sending an invitation or greeting card with Paperless Post, you have two options: cards, which look like classic paper stationery, and flyers, full-screen invitations that support GIFs and animation. Start using Paperless Post by picking out a personal or professional event category on the top navigation bar. Then, choose a theme or event type, or continue to the listing page where you'll find more specific filters to narrow down exactly what you want. If you already have your own design, use our Upload Your Own template instead. Once you've chosen an invitation, it's time to make it yours. After you create an account or sign in, you can add event details and customize the design, including uploading your own images, logos, and more. Save your design at any point by clicking Save. You can also add helpful planning elements like blocks, a comment wall, and guest questions. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to save and start adding guests. You can add guests one by one, upload a spreadsheet, paste a list, or pull contacts from invitations you've sent before. Send them via email, text, or link. If you're sending to a couple or a family, you can add the email or phone number of all invited guests. If you email your invitations, you can customize with a logo, photo, and additional text. If you're sharing a link, you can create a unique, easy-to-remember URL. We recommend previewing your invitation by sending yourself a test or clicking Preview. You can send it now or schedule it for later. Once your invitations are sent, let our tools do the rest. You'll get real-time RSVPs and replies. That's the best part, and can follow up as needed. The only thing left to do? Get ready to party. For more in-depth Paperless Post tutorials, check out our YouTube channel. Have a question? Feel free to contact our customer operations team or leave a comment on YouTube. See you next time!